Hi, Suzanne from Flat Marble Artisan Jewelry. I just want to show you a real quick little tip or hint on your hinged bracelets. So people ask me, can I get a smaller hinge so it doesn't stick out on either side? I mean, what can I do because I don't like the way it looks? So if it bothers you that the hinge sticks out too much on either side, you can always taper these edges. So I'm going to show you how I do it. You can do it with a flat file. This is a big one. There's smaller jeweler's files. I always like power tools better. I like getting things done more efficiently and faster. So I do it with this combination belt sander and this sander. No, I did not buy this just for this purpose, but I find that it works well. So I'm going to show you how to taper the edges of the hinges. I'm just cleaning off the corners and rounding them. Okay, hopefully you can see the difference now where I have rounded off the corners. So there's a little hint for you if you do not like the look of a wider hinge. We examined about 5 different hinges when I first started looking into doing the hinged bracelet, and this particular size was the only size that was suitable. Anything smaller or more narrow did not have the beefiness that you need for heavy silverware. They were more suited for lighter weight materials. So as far as I know, this is the only suitable size for doing the hinged silverware bracelet. So there you go. There's a little tip on how you can fix that up and make that a little more tapered and narrow, so it looks a little more appropriate on some of the thinner pieces of silverware. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.